Hey, what's up guys? Adam at Time Warp Custom Paint here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I lay out this custom candy flame job on a Harley-Davidson tank using nothing but LiME aerosol spray paint. Let's jump right in. Before sanding, we're going to clean the surface using a wax and grease remover. Next, sand the surface using 80 grit sandpaper to remove any imperfections. And this will give the primer a good surface to stick to. Next, I'm going to use LiME Double Shot Urethane Primer. This is a two-part primer with two chambers inside the can. To activate it, thread the ring into the lug, pull the plunger, and rotate it 360 degrees to release the hardener. I'm going to apply 3 to 4 medium to heavy coats. Once the primer is fully dry, I'll apply a black guide coat and sand the surface smooth using 600 grit sandpaper. Once I clean off the sanding residue, I'll apply 4 to 5 light to medium coats of black base coat until I reach full coverage. Next, I'm going to apply a LiME Candy Pearl base coat. I'll spray 3 to 4 coats until I reach full coverage. To seal everything up, we're going to use LiME Double Shot 2K Clear Coat. This can works just like the primer surfacer that we used earlier, with 2 components inside the can. Once activated, you'll have 12 to 24 hours to use the product. I'll spray 4 to 5 medium to wet coats, making sure I get full, even coverage. After the clear coat dries overnight, I'll scuff it with a 600 grit sanding sponge. This knocks down the texture and creates adhesion for the next layers of paint. Once everything is scuffed and cleaned, I lay out the flames using LiME 1/8 inch fine line tape. I start with a U shape on one side. And then I match up the tips to form the flame. Then I build off that pattern to keep a smooth flow. mirror the other side, I measure from the center line and use tape to help duplicate the design. Once the flames are all laid out and I'm happy with the design, I'll mask off all the negative space to protect it from overspray. Next, I'll spray LiME coarse silver aerosol, laying down 3 to 4 light coats. Keeping the coats light prevents oversaturation and gives you smooth coverage without loading up the surface. Next, we'll tape off a pinstripe along the edge of the flames using 1/8 inch LiME tape once again. I'll butt the tape right up next to the previous line, and then add paper masking to protect the surface and to prevent any overspray. Now that the silver pinstripe edge is shielded with tape, I'll apply a black base coat to the center of the flames. Again, I'm spraying very light coats, building the paint slowly until I reach full coverage. Once the base coat is dry, usually 10 to 20 minutes, you can pull your tape. To bring back that shine and durability, I'll activate another double shot 2K clearcoat can and spray 3 to 4 medium to heavy coats, allowing 10 to 15 minutes between coats depending on temperature. And that's it. Check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.